Okay, video 2 of the little gun project. What I did was, after I got done with the Murphy's soap oil, I used mineral spirits to finish cleaning it and get the tough spots. Just got a little glare on it, but that's it is really coming together, I think. Turns out this is walnut, a nice piece of walnut stock. So I cleaned it with mineral spirits and some 4/0 steel wool, left to finish, and then I put 2 coats of boiled linseed oil. So it's quite a difference, and I still have one more phase. I've got some stock conditioner, like a satin finish, to buff it out with, and I think it's gonna buff out real nice. So I'll make another video of the final one here, and there again, getting a little glare off the lights, but it's but the linseed oil mixed really well with the it being dark wood to begin with. I think it's gonna look real nice when I get done. And it's gonna be the original finish, just conditioned instead of redone. So looks really nice coming together. Tickled with it so far.